Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from you. Today, let me tell you two big decisions in life which will change your whole life. Just imagine these two big decisions in life will change your whole life. Okay, let us see then what are those decisions. So that is why what happens? We should be very, very careful while taking decisions here. First thing is career. You are knowing you should accept the job of your choice. If the job is your choice, your passion, then you will be happy to work there. Now you may ask me how to find out whether it is my passion, how to find it out. It is very easy. Suppose imagine that you are having a lot of money. There is no need for you to earn anything, but just to pass your time, you are doing something, or we have to do, isn't it? At least though we are not in need of money, to spend our time in a good manner, to keep us mentally and physically fit, we should do something. So then what you will think of doing? Imagine that. If you love singing, you will tell, I will, do singing. Or if you love dancing, you may say, I love dancing, so I will teach dancing to all my neighboring people. Whatever it is, that is your passion. Passion means any work which we do not for the sake of money, then for our mental satisfaction. So what I tell you is, your job should become your passion. So you will be happy. Once I heard one heroine telling that when she was a child, in the sense in her school days, she liked to dance even for any function or whenever any guests come, whether they like to watch or not. She used to like to dance. Why? Because it was her passion. She liked it. So as she grew up, she became a dancer, she became an actor. So she told, now I am double happy, she was telling. One thing is, she gets money for what she is doing. Another thing is, she is doing the work of her liking, of her choice, her passion she is doing. And moreover, she is paid for that. So, choosing your career is very, very important. So, before choosing your career, you should know that whether you like that type of career, whether you will be happy in that. Because I know some of my students, those who had learned hotel management, and afterwards when they got a job, they were not ready because they had to work even for the night. And you are knowing big hotels, restaurants and all, they will be in full swing during night time. So he had to work for night, and that he didn't like. So at the end he left that job and he started working somewhere else. That is why before choosing your job, your career, you should see that whether you will be happy in that, whether you will enjoy that. If you enjoy that, it is well and good. Otherwise, don't choose it. Because once, if we accept any career, means throughout our for years and years we will be working that. So your career should be a play for you, so that you won't be feeling tired. You will be happy. That is why choose a career of your choice. It makes a lot of difference. Otherwise, you will be going for the job, but you will be telling what to do. I have to look after my family, I have to earn, that is why I am working. No, it should not be the case. I like to do this work and that is why I am doing. That should be the case. That is one thing. So first thing about the career, and second is marriage, choosing your partner. It is also very, very important. Why it is very important? Because once you choose a partner, throughout your life, he or she will be with you. You have to do some adjustments. Everyone has to do. That is okay. But otherwise, you are knowing 90% of our lives, if whatever it is, happiness or sorrow, depends on the life partner. So while choosing the life partner also, you should be very, very careful. Very careful you should. So don't do any, what I can say, urgency or in a hurry. Don't do anything. Take your own time. Meet your partner before the marriage twice, thrice, 4 times. Discuss all the things. See whether you are able to do all the adjustments. Discuss about all the things, about whether he or she is able to manage with your parents, about financial goals. That also should be discussed. Otherwise, one will be a spendthrift and another won't be like that. Then again, the problems occur there. Or the career goals. Suppose the other partner is working and whether you like that work or not, time schedule, whatever it is. And once you accept your life partner, he or she is yours. You should remember it. So, our life will be very pleasant, very happy if our life partner is, what I can say, adjustable, happy with us. And a very, very important thing is you should understand one another, and you should trust one another. That is very, very important. Trust among the partners is very important. So all these things matter a lot. That is why, see, our life, we only build it, we only prepare it. It is like a building. How a building is prepared by human beings, in the way even our life is built by our own selves. It is in our own hands. So we should see how we can be happy. It is not just because we are living, we are pulling on. No, it should not be the case. Then what you should do? You should find out your own interests, your own likings, and everything. And these 2 things matter a lot. I told you, first thing is your career, because lifelong you have to do that. And next thing is your partner, because even with the partner you have to go on throughout your life. So your life will be hell or heaven. Yes, hell or heaven, depending on these 2 decisions. So it is in your own hands to make your life heaven or hell. I think, or I'm sure that all of us want our life to be heaven. So it is in our own hands. So wait, take your own time. Don't be in a hurry. Take your own time and make your life a heaven where you will be living happily. Have a good day.